Sarah noticed something wrong with the surge pricing data. During Hurricane Maria, rates jumped 400% when people desperately needed rides to hospitals. It wasn't a glitch. Her company was deliberately exploiting emergencies. She could have stayed quiet, kept her six-figure salary and career track. Instead, she downloaded the evidence and called the Federal Trade Commission. The lawsuit cost her everything: her job, her industry connections, even some friendships. But her testimony led to new consumer protection laws. Today, she runs the federal task force that prevents pricing exploitation during disasters. She traded profit for purpose.